Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today the topic we are going to discuss that is a totally different topic. Like what we have gained in year 2020, what loss we have got, and what success we have gained in year 2020. And if we have gained some loss, is that because of our failures? Is that because of our negligence? Is that because of our irresponsibilities? Because whenever we have made our mind, we have set up our mind to get something, and if we are not pulling the maximum effort to it, then it may lead towards the failures. And instead of heading towards the goal and reaching towards the goal, people may get the loss, and it is because of not to do the things in time. But if you people have did your work with the full efficiency, with full dedication, with full determination, and with full strength, and even then, if you didn't get success, that is because of not your fault, and that is not because of your inefficiency or the inaccuracy of your work. That there are some things which are being controlled by the supernatural forces, that is being controlled by the nature, because everything is under the control of nature. If you have put your maximum potential in that, but even then you got the failure, that is because of the nature's will and the god's will, and that may not be in your favor. That's why you didn't get those things. And now we also need to see that if there is a businessman, he didn't get success in his business. What was the reason behind it? Was it because of the current situation of COVID, which is traveled throughout the world, and it is everyone is the victim of the COVID. There are certain reasons of the unsuccessful business. So, if there are some natural factors due to the natural calamity and the pandemic, then the businessman cannot do anything to make the success in his business. And if there is a student who has worked very much hard, but even then he didn't get success, it never happens that if a student has worked very hard and he didn't get success. It may happen that if you got failure in your exam, the failure in the exam could be because of your negligence, lack of attention in the study. It may be the failure. You need to see what was the list of the failures in year 2020 and what was the list of the success in year 2020, and what was the reason behind it. What was the reason why you became unsuccessful in year 2020, and why you became, and if someone has become successful, why they how they have become successful in year 2020. We sometimes it happens that we are learning from our failures, and it depends. If you are taking it seriously, then you learn from your failures. But there are some people who, whenever they get failure in their life, they will give up their mm, destinations, they will give up their goal oriented behavior, and instead of moving towards that particular area or particular field, they will be changing their behavior and attitude, and they will be making their way, and they will be saying tata baba to their previous goals, and they will be heading towards the new goal and the new settings. But this was all about the year 2020. Now they need to see how they can make their year 2021 successful. For this, they need to make a priority list, and they need to make a resolution, because everyone is there who is making the resolution how he will be spending his new year. This is what we call the New Year's resolution. If you set your New Year's resolution, then the things will become very much easy for them, and they will be having more success rate in their year ahead. They will learn from their past mistakes, they will learn from their past experiences, they will learn from their irresponsible attitude in year 2020, and they will also become more motivated, they will become more task oriented, they will become more accurate in their work, they will be having more skills, because they have learned it through their experiences. And if you make a resolution, then the things will be very much easier for them. If you are a student, you need to make a resolution what grade you will achieve. If you are a parent, you need to see how what style of parenting he needs to adopt, and how he can make more how he can become more family oriented in the year ahead, what negligence he did on the responsibility he was given in year 2020. If you are a businessman, you need to see what was the causes of his failure and what was the main reasons of his success, and how he can cope up with the upcoming situations, and how he can take his business more high, and how he can take it at the superior level as high as sky. These are the resolutions everyone needs to make, and I would like to mention the teenagers as well. Like, teenagers also need to make a new year's resolution, as this is a covid period and this is the quarantine situation is going on, how they can make their resolution. Like, never waste your single minute. If you will be wasting your time, it will never come again, because time is the thing which never get reversed, and you need to utilize a single moment of your life and be productive, be positive, be innovative. And if you are a child, try to be obedient to your parents, because in the current situation and in the current cultures and the current families and the values and the cultures, I have noticed it that the children are not very much obedient to their parents. They need to be very much obedient to their parents, and they can make a new year's resolution, take a card, write a new year's resolution and give it to your parents, that the children will be obeying to their parents, because parents would be always giving them $1 million suggestions, that is for their prosperity and their betterment. So children also need to make the resolution and the commitment with their parents, that next whole year they need to be very much obedient to their parents. And to all the subordinates and the people who are working in any organization at any workplace, they also need to make a resolution that if they want to get a promotion, how they can get a promotion. Only their dedication and their zeal and their love for the work, it can help them a lot to get the maximum output of their product and the maximum output at their workplace. So this is how they can get more chances of the promotion. And if you are a simple housewife, then they also need to make the resolution what would be their priorities in the family setting, and how they can maintain a very good relationship with the rest of the family members, because their attitude is very much important in the family environment, and they need to avoid the family politics, and they need to be nice with all the people who surrounds them, and they need to do a very good attitude, and they need to be humble and kind and polite with the rest of the people who are in their surroundings. And if you are a simple daily worker or the daily wager, they need to see that how they can increase their maximum output, and how they can become a very successful person, and how in the less time how they can make more money, because we need to see from the every angle, and we need to see from the every aspect. For example, if they are their personal attitude is also there in making the new year's resolution, we need to focus on what attitude we are having, what type of the communication skills, and what type of mannerism and courtesies we are having while we are dealing with the other people, because the courtesy and the attitude and the etiquettes, which are very much important for everyone, and those who are very rude and aggressive and angry, they need to make a resolution that they will be having more good attitude, they need to be more humble, and this new year resolution will make them highly appreciated by their surroundings. And if you will be making your wish list, and in your wish list you need to keep a number of the things which are liked by the other people. It's not necessary that you are keeping all those things in your mind which are for your benefit. Rather, you need to make a resolution to help the other people. And if you are giving a mere smile and a simple smile to the rest of the people, then it will also make bring the pleasure and the pleasing attitude in their life, because these are the positive vibes. If you are having a positive vibes for the other people, then they also do have positive vibes for you as well. And there are a number of the things which we need to make. For example, um, if you are a student, you need to work very hard. If you are a businessman, you need to adopt the new strategy and the tactics to flourish, to prosper and to flourish your business. If you are a parent, you need to adopt a very helpful and the kind attitude. And if you are a CEO or a administrator, you need to amend your behavior, and you need to be evaluative and judgmental. So every person, a male and female, everyone need to make a new year's resolution, and this resolution would be according to their culture, would be according to their custom, it would be according to their environment and the surrounding, because every person is expecting a different thing. A family member would be expecting a different thing from the family member, and a co-worker would be expecting a different thing from you. A subordinate would be expecting a different thing from the boss. Um, Hairdresser are the people who are coming in your life. They would be expecting a different thing from you, and we need to please them all according to their requirements, second according to their wish and will. And if you make the resolution that this year would be very successful for you, for this you need to work very hard, for this you need to change your attitudes, for this you need to change your bad habits and the bad activities, and for this you need to be courteous, you need to be kind, you need to be humble, you need to manage your anger, you need to manage your stress. And those people who are already in stress, they need to make a resolution that they will never be taking stress anymore, because stress is not doing any positive to you, rather it is very harmful for you. And if you are a doctor, make a resolution that you would be treating the patients mm, with full dedication. And if you are an engineer, make a resolution that you would be making a very good building which will be fascinating for the everyone. And if you are a liar, try to take those cases which will relieve the people from the injustice. And if you are a judge, make a new year's resolution that you will never take the bribe. And if you are a teacher, try to transfer the knowledge in the positive, maximum positive way. And there are a number of the professions. If I started counting those professions, then it will this video will never. If you have lost someone in the year 2020, you need to think over it, because this was not because of your fault. It was a natural, and death is a natural pill. So these were the natural factors. But what you can do for a year ahead, those who are around you, you need to be very kind, you need to be very humble, you need to be very courteous with them, because they die. You need to value them. And mm, least but not the last, you need to make us your spirit high. You need to be motivated, you need to be dedicated, and you need to be task oriented, and you need to be goal oriented. Because if you make very first day that you will be task oriented and you will striving hard for achievement of your goal, then nothing can stop you. Your motivation would be very high, and level of aspiration will takes you to reach to your goal. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.